how to use the Wealthsimple app in Canada. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step. In step number 1, download the Wealthsimple app from the App Store if you're on iOS or the Google Play Store if you're using Android. Open the app, create your account and sign in. Once you are logged in, complete your profile by adding your personal information, financial goals, risk tolerance and investment preferences. Wealthsimple will use this information to recommend investment options based on your goals and comfort with risk. You can specify how much you want to invest and how much risk you are willing to take. Then, link your bank account and transfer funds to start investing. You can choose between two main approaches. Let Wealthsimple manage your investment automatically based on your profile, or go to the self-directed route by picking and managing your own investment. If you're using self-directed investing, browse the available investment options, build your portfolio, and track its performance over time. You can also set up by recruiting deposit to grow your investment consistently. Make use of the educational tools and resources available within the app to improve your investment knowledge. Wealthsimple offers a lot of useful content to help you make informed decisions. And that's it. That's how you can get started and make the most of Wealthsimple app in Canada. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content like this.